This is Gail, and today I'm going to talk about the pump parts for the Ameda Platinum. So when you take the kit out of the bag that it comes in, it's going to look like this. This is what you're going to get. So it's very easy to put together. All you're going to do is take this little connector piece here, and you're going to connect it right over here onto the pump. And then she's ready to go. I'm also going to show you the individual pump parts here. And these are the parts that Mom is going to need to clean. So this is the cap adapter right here. This is the tubing. This is called the diaphragm. This whole piece here is called the breast shield. And this piece right here is obviously the bottle. So when you're putting it together, you take the breast shield. Oh, I forgot one piece. This is called the valve. And all these pieces need to be cleaned after each pumping. So we're gonna put the valve right back in here, like that. Then we're gonna take this breast shield piece and we're just gonna put it onto the bottle. Then we're gonna take the diaphragm, we're gonna put it right in here, and then we're gonna take the cap adapter and it snaps in. You can hear the snap, and then she's ready to go again. We also want to remind Mom or Dad that in between, after pumpings, in between feedings, she's gonna wanna take the cap adapter off and the diaphragm, and then these three pieces, the breast shield, the bottle, and the valve, are gonna need to be washed. So we're gonna give Mom this basin, and we are gonna give her some Castile soap, and then she can pour some warm water in there and some Castile soap and her parts, wash them, and then let them air dry after.